guys, it's Khushi, and in today's video I'm going to try out the DOMS fluid acrylic kit. So this kit is in the version vibrant. There are vibrant colors available in this kit, and I have already tried out the pearl and metallic version, of which the videos are uploaded on my channel, and if you want to watch those videos, the link is provided in the description box. The MRP of this kit is 250 rupees, and this is not a sponsored video. So there are basically some instructions mentioned on the back side of the packet and also a swirl technique. So when I use the pearl variant, I've already tried out the swirl technique. So in today's video, I'm going to try out a new technique, and let's see what technique that would be in the further part of the video. So now let's open the packet, and this packet basically comes in a Ziploc packaging. Inside you'll find 2 canvases, 5 assorted shades of vibrant colors, and also some gloves and an apron. So firstly we have these 5 assorted shades of vibrant colors, and they are of 25 ml each. Next we have this packet which contains of an apron and hand gloves. So they have provided us with an apron and hand gloves because fluid art is very messy. So in order to protect your hands and your clothes, they have provided us with an apron and gloves. Next we have a square canvas of 10 by 10 centimeter, that is 4 by 4 inches, and a bigger canvas of 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, which is 8 by 8 inch. So now it is time to set up a small workstation. Here what I'm going to do is basically make use of the apron to cover my surface. You can also make use of newspaper if you want. Now to elevate the surface where I'm going to place my canvas, I'm making use of this tape. So in this video, I'm going to make use of the bigger canvas. So these are the 5 assorted shades of vibrant colors. The colors that you get are crimson red, chrome yellow, Persian blue, lavender and emerald green. So the next thing that you need is basically a glass cup or a paper cup. Here I'm going to make use of this glass cup. Don't worry, when the paint is all dried up, you can easily peel it off. So here I'm going to start pouring the colors. So firstly I'm using lavender, then crimson red. You can basically follow a pattern or not follow a pattern, totally depends on you. After that I'm going to pour in some emerald green, then some chrome yellow and then Persian blue. Here's what the colors look like. So what I'm going to do is basically take my canvas, place it on the cup and then flip the canvas. And after you're done with flipping the canvas, place it down and wear your gloves and try to remove the cup by moving it in a circular motion. And now it is time to basically move your canvas in circular motions until all the edges of the canvas are covered with paint. And you can also tap the canvas to make the colors flow. In some areas where the paint is not there, basically pour the remaining colors in the cup, and this is what the final result looks like. It is giving watermelon as well as Christmas vibes, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more such videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.